entire movement, guys. You're gonna see this, guys. You're gonna become very successful. I'm very happy about that. Let's go ahead and move forward, guys, with Elon Musk. Fuelcell, fuel tech, stock, fuel cell, plug power, CLNE, and more green energy roundup. Woo! Okay, let me see. That was a little bit of a mouthful. I don't know if I actually did a stream marker, so I'm gonna do it again. Elon Musk, fuel tech stock, fuel cell, plug power, CLNE, and more green energy roundup. Let's see what happened today. The green energy trade is once again top of mind. This came out at 9:42 a.m. and I have a follow-up article after this one. So be very patient with the symbols that we're going to review from them. But it's just not the fuel tech type names which doubled yesterday and are on track again to double today, more than a week after it nearly doubled following earnings results that beat expectations. There's more mainstream news drawing attention to the space. Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, became the second richest person in the world, passing Bill Gates for the honor, and now sits only behind Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos in his net worth, even though he must still exercise his options. The development occurred after Tesla added to last week's S&P 500 inclusion-related gains, rising to a new all-time high Monday. The electric vehicles market cap is now above $500 billion. In other alternative energy-related moves, clean energy is up another 15% after Monday's 25% gains. Other standouts include Fuelcell Energy, FCEL, up 16% in Tuesday trading, but we will see what happened afterwards, bringing the month's gains to over 280% and the year to well over 1,000%. Plug Power earlier announced that it had raised $1 billion in capital in efforts to expand its hydrogen facilities in the U.S. It's unclear to what extent the move in these names is related to short sellers unwinding their positions. Plug Power's most recent short interest figure sits at 15%, while Fuel Cell remains a touch higher at 17%. Tesla had long been among the most shorted names in megacaps, though the percent short has declined in recent months. Nevertheless, 6.3% of the stock is still sold short. And guys, to follow up on this article, we are going to look at what happened at 3:21 a.m. Just to pause. Investors cash out of some EV high flyers. EV stocks are taking a breather after an eye-popping week of two of gains that have been tied broadly to news out of China, the election of Joe Biden, and the blazing path of Tesla straight to the S&P 500 index. It has been insane, guys. Idle, down. Electromecánica, down. Green Power, down. Lordstown, Candy, XPE, and GRC Motor Workhorse are peeling off a bit today. For most of those names, the decline is just blowing some steam off huge gains. Idle is still up more than 150% for the week, and RC Moto is 95% higher. It has already been a busy week of EV news, and ladies and gentlemen, I think it just makes sense to start taking a look at Tesla. But for Tesla, I got an article. So let's go ahead and review Tesla real quick for all of you. And we got Nick Donahue. Good to see you, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Good to see you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue over here. Oof, papo. Tesla blows past $500 billion cap as investors look to an EV future. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated earlier today at a conference in Germany that the company plans to debut improved versions of existing models that approach 435 miles of range, and has cars under development for the long term that could reach 1,000 kilometers. He also hinted at the event that Tesla might engineer a hatchback from Germany. Back in the US, Tesla crossed over the $500 billion market cap level earlier today. For those that like tracking these things, that is more than Toyota, $197 billion, General Motors, $64, Ford, $35, Nissan, $77, and Honda, $49 billion combined. Insane, guys. How do bulls make the math work? Wedbush Securities recently upped its bull case price target to $560, while Model 3s remain the core driver. Going forward, new designs around Cybertruck and Model Y will further aid growth globally and thus enable Tesla to achieve its million delivery units likely by 2023. In our opinion, noted analyst Dan Ives, for the Bear View, Montana skeptic said hype and nonsense have elevated Tesla's share price beyond all reason in an article posted on Seeking Alpha recently. With that said, let's review Tesla. Ladies and gentlemen, who in here capitalized on the opportunity? And holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen.
Monster kill.
Tesla.
Excellent.
I know, Mr. Bernie Burns. Look at that. It is doing insane. I feel like Elon Musk today, guys. I'm feeling happy, feliz, como una lombriz. When it wiggles, it wiggle. Ladies and gentlemen, kicking booty. Oh my goodness, this is looking exciting and amazing at the same time. We have reached Wedbush's target, 560, guys. We did go down a little bit. Pierre Ferragu, you're coming up next, dude. We're coming up there. Guys, let me tell you, we were expecting this. Who still remembers when we were talking about Tesla creating this flag and all of this? Look at that, guys. Everything happened as we wanted to see. Kicking booty. Amazing. I am happy. We are kicking booty. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, who capitalized on this? Give me some freaking in the chat room, ladies and gentlemen.
Monster kill.
Beautiful. Man, what can I say? Tesla doing insane. 709, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations for those who capitalize. And let's go ahead and continue with the next one, guys. What an insane move for Tesla. So let's go ahead and review. Since we're talking about the electric vehicle market, Plug Power is the next one that I got in the list. Let's go ahead and add a stream marker. Man, oh man. Tesla making us feliz, huh? Should we? I knew it. I see some coins in here. Ladies and gentlemen, exactly. Are we making some coins today, guys? Where are the members? That's what I want to see, a freaking chat full of coins. Insane, guys. Holy mofongo indeed. Let's go ahead and continue with Plug Power. Plug Power raises $1 billion to accelerate the first nationwide green hydrogen network. Plug Power is up 5% in pre-market trading as it announced completion of bought equity deal transactions in the broader clean tech sector. Plug Power's raised $1 billion of capital, bringing total cash post-closing balance to $1.7 billion.
Wow.
The capital raise uniquely positions Plug Power to execute and accelerate on its green hydrogen strategy, as well as other strategic growth initiatives. Plug Power recently announced its plans to build 5 regional green hydrogen facilities in the United States. They will continue to work with strategic partners, including Apex Clean Energy and Brookfield Renewable, to source low-cost renewable power. The first 2 green hydrogen plants are expected to be operational in 2022. All 5 plants are expected to be operational in 2024 with a total capacity of 100 TPD. The green hydrogen generated by this network will support the mission to decarbonize the broader transportation and logistics industries, a mission shared by both Plug Power and its customers. According to consultancy McKinsey & Company, the global hydrogen economy could reach 2.5 trillion by 2050, representing 80% of the global energy demand. And with that said, let's review Plug, ladies and gentlemen. Plug Power! Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, even though it went down, Plug Power created a higher high and a higher low. It closed a little bit lower, 0.56%. But guys, that means that they're putting the money to work. The weekly still stands bullish. I like the weekly right now if it stays above. Let's say if the candle stays above these $24.64, we can be good. Maybe by tomorrow we will see a little bit of more upside. Plug Power, definitely something that I've been keeping an eye on. And if it gets to drop, for example, to $19, I will much appreciate that price point because we can capitalize on that opportunity. Holy mofongo, guys. We got over here Christopher Ainong. Welcome back, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Man, oh man, really happy with the profits? Congratulations. Man, oh man, geez, selling Tesla? Congratulations, making a few. Hey, very good view. Few of you already making some amazing profit. It is insane. Let's see. Jordan told me to wait for 1,000. What? That would be insane. Look at that. Making some profit over here. Shui holding Tesla as well. $600 soon. Nick Donahue, is it too late to buy Tesla now? Never late. Getting tomorrow. Tesla is our future. Well, if it goes well with your trading plan, my friend, I mean, Tesla for me can retrace, and if it retraces, that could be a beautiful blessing. But right now, we're riding it very nicely. About a really nice NIO contract at the dip this morning. Happy about that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, we'll see what will happen with NIO because I gotta look at now BLNK, guys. I'm gonna take a look at BLNK. Yesterday, Citron gave an article that didn't help BLNK, but check this out. BLNK Charging or Blink Charging acquires EV charging operator YouGo Stations. Okay, guys? So with that money, Blink Charging acquires EV charging operator YouGo Stations. Blink Charging has acquired the EV charging operator YouGo Stations. I said it 3 times. And his portfolio of 44 DCFC charging locations. The purchase also includes multiple grants awarded to YouGo for the deployment of up to an additional 45 new charging stations. The transaction will add 89 additional DC fast and L2 charging stations to the expanding Blink network. Agreement terms were not disclosed. We look forward to installing and operating these new charging locations in early 2021, commented Brendan Jones, COO of Blink. With that said, BLNK, I know it took a beating today, but we gotta face it. We gotta look at it. We capitalize on it. And right now, guys, it created a rejection. And the candle that it created is a bearish one. So it is not engulfing anything. Let's look at the 4-hour. 4-hour is becoming a little bit bullish. You know what? I would love to see BLNK go to 21 or even go down to 14. Make Citron's life better. But we are on the weekly. We're still above the 200 EMA, which I like. There's going to be a lot of retracement, guys. You're going to see there's even a potential to go, like I said, $14. But the EMAs are starting to cross. This is very interesting, guys. We are very much overbought over here in the RSI, as you can see. But I think BLNK has been performing very nicely. That news article actually proves a little bit of more movement. Maybe they were a little bit quiet and Citron wanted to hear them a little bit louder, even though Citron is more bullish on switchback energy, which we can actually look at. $28.12 for BLNK charging. The 4-hour bullish, the 1 hour is creating bearish, but the previous candle over here in the 1 hour is bullish engulfing. Let's look at the 30 minutes real quick. And what I'll do for all of those that like trend lines, I'm going to leave this trend line. If we break this trend line over here, if we close above 29.65, we can actually go up once again 12%. And if it goes a little bit lower, we can capitalize on that opportunity as well, guys. So I'm going to keep an eye on BLNK and see if it goes down or if it goes up. It doesn't matter. I will wait and capitalize on that. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. Oh, good to hear you once again, my friend. It was insane this morning.
Oh, no!
I know, Mario, but we got through it, my friend. We really did it. And then from BLNK, let's go ahead and review Nikola because I want to get rid of the EV sector news so we can move forward with the other symbols inside of those articles that we read. Nikola races higher with the investors broadly snapping up green energy names. Ladies and gentlemen, very, very interesting.
What?
Yes, Nikola trades at its highest level in more than a month as investors rush into the electric hydrogen name. The bullish view of Nikola is that a GM partnership deal is imminent and this SPAC tackler returns will continue, while Stone Fox Capital encapsulates the bear view on Seeking Alpha. Ladies and gentlemen, with that said, NKLA, let's go ahead and review it. Nikola Corporation. And let's look at the daily. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Already on our way. We said it here. Nikola could go up already 23% up at $34. We are looking at 93. There's a great potential to hit 93. I'm keeping an eye on it. I still remember that somebody in this channel said, David, look at Nikola over here. We are going to be rejecting $15, and he started to do that, and beautiful. He started to do it, created a support. We got good confirmations, and Nikola kicking booty. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Can he go up, David? Yes, it can go to 93. Can he go down, David? Yes, it can. And if he goes down, this could be over here a good price point, like 28, 29, around that range. Could be a good point for entry. Otherwise, having a buy stop, guys, for Nikola at 37, almost 38, could be a blessing. Now, let's review GM, General Motors, real quick. General Motors doesn't stop, keeps on going, keeps on kicking booty.
Oh, yeah!
Holy mofongo, Patrick! Oh, you scare me again, my friend. Thank you for the... Can you review Flux, IPWR, and VVPR? Yes, I can. Let's go ahead and add them. I can do it after this one. And I got to review NIO, as you know. I got to do LI. I got to do XPEV. I got to do... Let's do Candy. Let's do Candy for jokes. And then Solo, guys. Those are the ones that I want to review. I don't want to get... Oh, and Green Power, obviously. Green Power. And Fuelcell... I think we did Fuelcell. No, we didn't do Fuelcell. I'm going to do Fuelcell. FCEL. And I'm going to do FTEK, which a lot of people have been asking me about as well. So I can get those out of the way. And by the way, guys, after that, I'm going to do Sundial, Microsoft, Amazon, HP, Coty, Etsy, Ideanomics, Tilray, and YJ Junji. Yes, guys, let's go ahead and take a look right now at from GM to Nikola. Did we say Nikola? Did we look at Nikola? We already did Nikola. We did Nikola. We did GM. What are we going to look at now, my friends? Well, none other than Flux. Let's go ahead and do Flux. Let's do it. For Patrick Ciaretta, blessing the channel. Look at that. Flux, let's look at the daily. The daily created a little bit of rejection. I'm liking the structure that it's creating, Patrick. It's creating higher highs, higher lows. So having a buy stop, for example, at $12 could be a great opportunity. $9.81 is looking good. I think this break of a trend line is showing us great signs that it can continue with the upside. If you want to go ahead and play it safe, you can see over here that this is an increase of 24. If you get in right now, you can have a potential of 52. But keep in mind, risk reward, right? And this can actually go down back to $4. Keep that in mind. So be ready for anything. Be ready to fight. You know how it is. FLUX. IPWR is the next one. Let's go ahead and add a stream marker as well. Ideal power showing us higher highs and higher lows. Beautiful, Patrick. The same structure that we just said is looking good. Now, actually, Patrick, this could be a great opportunity. At $9.28, this can actually go to $15. I'm liking ideal power as well. I think this is going to kick some booty. Who else in here thinks that ideal power, IPWR, can actually go up? I think it's looking very nice, Patrick. Very, very nicely done, my friend. Great analysis. It's looking very, very good. And then let's review VVPR. VVPR, Vivo Power International, and it has gone down a little bit. Let's see over here what we got. Adding some trend lines. Support level, creating rejection. Having a buy stop over here at $10.92 to then go to more upside to $23, $24. Let's see over here real quick. Let's get to the 4 hour and see. It is actually creating good rejection, Patrick. This is looking very similar to that BioNTech investment that we actually capitalize on. You know, the break of a trend line, creating higher highs. Now it will be creating some higher lows. And this, my friend, is looking very, very interesting. This price point. So if we break $10, we can go to 24, and that is equal to 120%. Let's keep an eye on it, Patrick. Let's see what it will happen. What do you think, Randy? Does it look interesting?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Hey, Shui says that he got $8.57 for IPWR. Congratulations, Shui. Man, oh man. Ideal power, 857, loving it. Nick Donahue, thank you for the Hadouken and welcome to the
Boom Shakalaka
community, my friend. Now you will be able to do some Hadoukens. Really appreciate it, my friend. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You will soon have some glasses, but it will require a month. So, you know, once you meet a month, you will have the cool glasses, bro.
Bruh.
Congratulations, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate the support. Randy, do you appreciate Nick Donahue's support?
Oh, yeah!
Do you appreciate the support, Chewy? Perfect, perfect. See, everybody is loving it. Now, since we talked about the EV stocks, there's a few things that I want to review. Even IDO. I almost forgot about IDO, guys. I got to look at IDO, and I'm not going to do more because otherwise I'm going to go nuts. Okay? So already 7:24, and yesterday we ended the video like at 9, so patience, my friends, patience. Let's do NIO. This is the time to do it, guys. This is the time. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for NIO. So let me see if there's any article real quick. Today, yeah, that was the article that we reviewed earlier today, guys. So let's see what NIO has to offer in the charts. NIO Inc. Ladies and gentlemen, the daily created some higher highs and created some higher lows. NIO is still very much bullish. I wish that NIO went down. Guys, I've been saying here for quite a while, I want to see NIO at 30s. I want to see NIO at 45, but we don't get it. I think that we can continue with the upside. It's just that it's too strong right now. And a lot of things moved yesterday, okay? A lot of things moved yesterday. And what did NIO do yesterday, guys? Only 10%. So comparing with the exaggeration from yesterday, NIO actually looks much healthier. Now, it did go down a little bit. Is it a problem? No, it's actually not a problem. It created a higher high and a higher low. I still think that it can continue to $60. That's the target that I got right now. If it gets to retrace a little bit, I'm going to keep an eye on it and capitalize on the opportunity. NIO obviously has been creating great numbers. Tesla obviously creating the pathway for them. And guys, Deutsche Bank and JP Morgan, their target already has been reached. Bank of America as well. Credit Suisse is the only one that we got pending, and we got a $150 from Luke Lango from Investor Place. So guys, we have been keeping an eye on NIO. Hopefully you as well. From NIO, let's move to LI Auto. I remember that LI Auto needed to fill the wick yesterday. It did, and let's see what it did today. Created some higher highs and created some higher lows. But David, we are down. Yes, you know, the market needs to breathe. It goes up, it goes down, never one direction. You already know that, my friends. Is creating good rejection on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is creating beautiful rejection on the 14 EMA. It's looking very, very good. It can actually go to the upside a little bit more. 7.7%. I think we can retest the resistance level for LI Auto. We've been very bullish, guys, on LI Auto, and we actually exceeded the expectations. We did go down, but the weekly is still bullish. If that weekly candle closes bullish, it is game over. We're going to continue with the upside. But anyways, guys, let's move now to XPEV, which actually XPEV did kind of the same thing as LI Auto on the weekly. If you look at the weekly candle was bullish. Look at that, okay? Let me remove this real quick, guys. As you can see, previous weekly candle, bullish engulfing. We filled the wick. We went actually higher than that. The daily is showing good rejection, good higher lows, and good higher highs on the daily. The indecision that it has created is actually called a possible a hammer. Usually a hammer creates reversal when it's down. In this particular case, you know how I would have thought if it would have what candle I would have liked to see if I thought it was gonna go down? The inverse of what we're looking at right now. It is called a shooting star. If this candle were to be the other way around, we will be going down. But right now, this is bullish. Right now, I see it very, very bullish. If you look at the 4 hour, it's creating bullish candles. If you look at the 1 hour, it's creating bullish candles. And it's actually looking very good, right, guys? So keep that in mind. Candle reading, very important as well. I know there's a lot of videos out there. In the Discord, there's actually a tab. If you're not, guys, you gotta be a kicking booty and you gotta be a rock star to have access to the resources. In that particular case, there's a room where I put a lot of good posts, good videos for you to learn, and I will be gathering more and more and more as I see. And I can even be recommending way more things in the future. It's being built up, guys. You are part of the experience and the growth of this channel. So that's why I love the feeling that we had as a community right now. It's very grassroots. I love it. And let's go ahead and move forward now to Candy. Patrick, I know, I'm sorry. I know you don't love this one, but I need to review it because Candy reached our freaking target. Look at that.
Monster kill.
Ladies and gentlemen, Candy did reach our target at $17.35. We did retrace after that. On the money, guys, on the money. There's not a lot for me to say right now other than that, hey, it did go down. It is fine. I don't mind the downside over here, guys, if it goes to $12. It is insane, the investment we did from, what was it, $2, was it? I actually got in this one at $2, guys, and it is insane. It's kind of similar than Solo. But right now, it needs a breather. It needs to go down, $10.75. Let's see if there's any other opportunities after this. Like I say, trading plan, guys. Look for example, if you're in an investment looking for a move like this, then you got to ask yourself, am I satisfied with 20%? What bank pays me 20%, right? Do I have to catch the whole move? Not necessarily, guys. And David, if I have 100 shares, for example, or 1,000 shares, what do? Well, you can actually take some profit when we are up over here. Like, for example, you took this entry, 65% at the resistance. It looks like a good profit taking place. Then put in some positions at break even, then some positions in profit. Okay? Then after that, just let it ride. If it goes up, 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 and it reaches to your target, get out with some positions in profit. Let the others ride, break even, stop losses in profit. Make your trading plan yours. You understand yourself. You understand your risk reward tolerance. I am not able to teach that to you. That's to each their own. But I can teach you a way to have a perspective on how to manage it in different outcomes. So hopefully this is helpful, guys. That's why I do the videos, by the way. IDO, let's do IDO. IDO over here, guys. Finally, it reached the target. Candy can go now. Chewy, look. This oh, you're insane, my friend. Oh, very, very. Solas Prime, welcome to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
You want me to take a look at Attic? I'm going to add it to the list. I'm going to add it. Attic. Okay. But let's do IDO, guys. IDO today did go up and down. Did go up and down. Creating a rejection. Let's look at the 4-hour real quick. Bullish. I think IDO needed this retracement. I think it can even go down to 571. I wouldn't mind that. Maybe 650. 650 for IDO could be a good place. I'm going to be very honest. The weekly is a little bit bearish right now. It's not that it can continue with the downside or close bearish. It just means that it needs a retracement. I think this is it. I'm going to be very honest. Maybe this was it for IDO, guys. Because look at this. This is the resistance, right? And now creating a support. So maybe by tomorrow we will have a little bit of better perspective. I think it's kind of creating even a double bottom if you look over here, right? Starting to look much better. And I'm going to adjust this over here. So the way that IDO can be invested or traded could be having a buy stop over here at 1070s, right? To go to the upside, maybe heading to the $70.30. Or if it gets to go a little bit lower to $7, maybe having a buy limit will be a good one as well. From IDO, let's go to Solo. Solo as well, my friends, did take a little bit of a hit. Solo did go down to $8.43. All of this was needed, guys. And I still think that Solo can go even a little bit further down, guys. I'm going to be very honest. I want to see Solo maybe even at $6.90, maybe even at $5.90. I don't know, guys, around that range. Otherwise, having a buy stop over here once again could be a beautiful thing. Ladies and gentlemen, this holy mofongo Solas Prime has become a rock star.
Monster kill.
Thank you very, very much, Solas Prime. Welcome to the community. Hopefully, you will find the Discord link. Oh, my goodness, my friend. Hopefully, you will find the right way to get into the Discord community. You know, that is the kingdom where we share everything. The kings and queens and the chewies and the chewettes get together and talk about the market. Ladies and gentlemen, Solo, the daily, $8.43. Not bad at all. Ladies and gentlemen, Solas, I appreciate it, my friend. I really do. The 4-hour, $8.42. It can actually go a little bit higher. Maybe, look at this, 57%. So patience will definitely pay off for the EV sector once again, guys. Oh, but David, everything went down. When things go down, I see an opportunity, guys. I don't know about you. But anyways, now let's go to Green Power, GP. Lynn, this goes out to you, my friend. Green Power on the daily, higher highs, higher lows. Is it something amazing and beautiful? Not necessarily, because it's a bearish candle, but it did create some higher highs, which I love. If that weekly candle closes bullish, we're gonna definitely kick some booty. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
But let's see over here real quick on the daily. The retracement, look at that, where it was. It was on the broken resistance level, so I'm liking that price point once again, guys. This is not a bad price point. I'm liking it. I think there is great potential to do more upside. So definitely keeping an eye on it for next steps. I'm actually liking that 27% potential. And let me look at the monthly real quick. Yeah, right now, green power is just, it needs to go up, it needs to go down. I actually appreciate this, guys. Let me do this real quick. Fibonacci level for everybody. Fibonacci level for everybody. Fibonacci level for everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we can actually go to freaking 46 or even 55. If we move this one very close to that level of retracement, and I'm gonna keep the 0.5 as well. Okay, let's remove, keep it clean. And guys, you can see that the Fibonacci level is showing us that there is potential for upside. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on green power as well. If we get to reach this area, this could be an area of problem. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that for green power, guys. Not bad for the 1 hour. Not bad for the 1 hour. I'm gonna see what it will do next, guys. Very patient about it. And then let's review over here Fuelcell, FCEL. A lot of people asking about it. Fuelcell. Let's go ahead and add a stream marker. Let's see over here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, I used to play solo, $2 in summer. It's currently at $12. It is insane, exactly. Good stuff, thanks. I will find my way there. I appreciate the hard work. There you go, there you go. Welcome, Solas. Soul GP today. So Lin Lee making some profit. Holy mofongo, Lin. Making amazing moves. Very, very good. Following the trading plan. Look at that. How simple it is, Lin. How simple it is. Wow, that is insane. Congratulations, Lin. That is insane, really. Oh my goodness. Let's move forward, guys, to Fuelcell. So Fuelcell over here reached our other target, which was $11.17. Looking good. The weekly, guys, still bullish. The daily, we are going to keep an eye on it and see if this investment can happen once again. I'm liking the 4-hour rejection. I'm liking the 1 hour candles. I want to see better rejection maybe in the lower time frame. Let me see over here. I'm actually enjoying this Fuelcell, huh? Fuelcell bounce on the 50 EMA. You know what? Having a buy stop over here at 786 can indicate a little bit of upside back to 1117. And we can continue with the upside if we want to. But right now, it did the move. It did the downside, the dip. And congratulations who capitalized on the opportunity. Congratulations, my friend. That is insane. And then Fueltech is one of those that I've had since like $1.90, and I left it there and left it there and left it there. And holy mofongo, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily. Yes. Yes. See. Yeah, you told me that you were cooking.
What the rock is cooking?
Yeah, and you said that we're gonna kick some booty.
Oh yeah!
Holy mofongo, guys. Fueltech, $6.99 to the upside. $6.04 is the candle close today. But what an insane move, guys. I can't believe that I was so patient with this one. I was like, yeah, let me put Fueltech over here, guys. I don't even remember when I put it in, guys. It was a long time ago. Let me be very honest, because I don't even remember when it happened. I think it was over here, Meta. Fueltech. See this? When it was over here, guys, this was the area that I was getting in. And I still remember that we had that major trend line to be broken. We broke it. You see that? And we went up. We capitalized. We reached 285, and we even went even higher for Fueltech. Let me look at over here the monthly real quick. And guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Creating a spike, and we'll see if by the upcoming days we're gonna continue being bullish. We are almost at the end of the month. So, guys, I think this is the start of a beautiful year. Expect a little bit of retracement. I'm telling you all, when things go up, they got to go down, and we can capitalize on that opportunity. Right, Randy?
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Randy. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for the EV stocks. Hopefully, that was an ideal ride. Oh, well, actually, now I'm talking about ride. Let me go ahead and review ride as well. Slow ride. Take it easy. Ladies and gentlemen, slow ride. Righty. Oh, my goodness, guys. We almost there with the target. Look. Look at that beautiful move. Look at that beautiful move. Look at the beautiful move. Pa. Look at the beautiful move. 48%. Man,
Hey, what happened?
we broke the trend line. We went up. We didn't give a of anything, and we just went up to the upside. 48%. Ladies and gentlemen, it is insane. Beautiful thing. LSM driving can type. Wait, what? LSM? Is that what you want me to take a look at? LSM? I don't know. Maybe you gotta stop driving and text, because I don't want you to have any accident, Lean. Okay? Be safe out there. Be safe. Let's go ahead and move forward with Sundial. Who in here wanted me to review Sundial? I know some of you. Give me a like. Give me a dislike. I don't care. But you know what?